Emifenac 50DT is a widely used effervescent tablet recognized for its fast-acting properties in alleviating a range of pains such as toothaches, headaches, and nerve discomfort. Sold by pharmacies, including the nearest one based on delivery addresses, it is often delivered within a rapid time frame of 30 to 60 minutes. This analgesic tablet is priced at 23.35 SAR for a pack of 20, with flexibility in returning and exchanging the product. However, to purchase Emifenac, a prescription is often required, underlining its clinical importance in managing pain. Emifenac's formidable pain-relieving attributes are due to its active ingredient, diclofenac, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug that mitigates pain by inhibiting substances in the body, like prostaglandins, responsible for inflammation. The extensive applicability of Emifenac spans across multiple conditions. It's prescribed for managing ailments such as rheumatoid arthritis, severe migraines, dental pain post-infections or surgeries, acute muscle pain in athletes, menstrual pain, tendon pain, and spinal discomfort. It is also efficacious in reducing fever and relieving sinusitis-related inflammation. Using Emifenac requires dissolving 1 tablet in a quarter cup of water, drinking immediately post-dissolution. It's advised to consume this medication at least an hour after a meal to reduce possible stomach discomfort, a common side effect. Typically, adults may consume 25 mg to 50 mg 3 times daily, without exceeding a 150 mg daily limit. Despite its benefits, there are alternative medications like Cataflam and Adiaflam for migraine relief should you require them. Regarding usage among pregnant or breastfeeding women, professional advice is vital. Emifenac is not recommended during late pregnancy and should only be used when essential during breastfeeding. Its use in children is restricted, unsuitable for those below 12 years. Despite its wide use, caution in consumption remains vital due to potential side effects such as stomach issues. Nevertheless, Emifenac stands out as an efficient, rapid solution for pain management, enhancing life quality by curbing discomforts effectively.